Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a note on Google Keep step by step using your mobile device. First of all, download and open up Google Keep application on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once logged in, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner to create a new note. Enter a title for your note in the title box, and then in the Note tab, write your note. You can type, use voice input, or even draw. If you want to add photos or medias to your note, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left. Now you can use the Take Photo option and take a picture from your device's camera. Choose Image option and select a picture from your device's camera roll. Record a voice message or even draw. Just go ahead and enter your note as you are supposed to. You can select the background and color for your note by tapping the color palette icon at the bottom left. Select the color of your choice for your note. Choose the background if you want from the options available. You will be able to change the theme of your notebook from the menu. After you are done, you can go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right. From there, you can make a copy for your note, send your note to your friends or anyone, add collaborators to the note, levels, and so on. While taking notes, if you ever make a mistake, then you can undo the change by tapping on the arrow at the bottom, and that will help you undo the changes while taking the note. So with this, you have successfully learned how to create a note on Google Keep. Once you create a note and even after you leave to the home screen, your notes will be automatically saved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.